Hi, welcome back to my channel. Probably you have seen my previous video about the Epson EH-TW6700, which has an internal error.
You have to wait for a while. And there's still, kijk hier, that's the problem. You see, this one goes off and those two are blinking. And there's no lights. Nothing. And we can see that in the first beginning you see this blinking, and this was on, that's normal, the warm progress. And then we got this situation, because this one was going off and those two are blinking.
I will tell you a little bit about the history. I bought this used and the guy said I used it for 4 years without any problems. So I bought it for 400 euros and I just could use it for 1 week. I watched a few movies, and during a movie the whole projector just shuts down immediately without any warnings. So what I did, I wanted to turn on the projector again, and with the next time I turned on, the vents were blowing, the lamp didn't go on, and I smelled something burning. And it was a really typical smell. It's really recognizable when you have an electronic component which burns out. You have that smell. I never smelled that before, and I checked every component and I couldn't find any trace. And I know that normally when you smell something burning, you must see any trace of it. I checked the circuit board, also the back of it, and I checked this circuit board on the top. My first thought, this board is only for the video processing because the flat cables from the LCDs are connected on the board. In my way of thinking, this is not the board for the power supply or the lamp ballast. I also checked the lamp ballast inside and I couldn't find any trace of a burning component. Finally, I was lucky. I found a guy in my area who had some spare parts of this same projector. So I went with my projector to him. We checked every part, just one by one. So first we swapped this motherboard with no results. The second, we swapped the lamp ballast with no result. And then finally we decided to swap this board. And the projector worked again, which was really surprising. We thought there must be something on the board which is damaged. So here I have the previous board. This is the same board as this one. And on the back side there's a cooling plate. So you can remove it with 2 screws here and 2 screws here. And then you will see this. And this is the one. So probably during the movie there was a shortcut in this chip, and that makes the projector switched off. And the second time when I put them on, the chip burned out. And I can also show you the number of the chip because there are more of the same chips on this motherboard. It's the 54335A TI Texas Instruments 77A. And when you look it up, it's a step-down converter with eco modus. And you can find more of the chip of the same board, but also on the other board you can see here's one, there's one, there is one, and there is one. So there are more of the same chips. So I really would like to know if you have any experience with this kind of chips and what is the reason that this chip has a shortcut and burned out. I really would like to know. I put the number of this chip in the description of this video. So I hope this video will help you to fix your projector, and please let me know in the comments which kind of chips you find on the circuit board which is burned out. Well, thanks for watching and probably see you next time. Bye bye.